As a prosecutor, trigger pull is something you always bring up when we're at trial, and there's always this. Defendants try this all the time to say, oh, I didn't pull the trigger, or it was an accidental pull where I did not intend to shoot. You know, you're in a murder case where it's like we're proving that you premeditated and intended to kill somebody. It's a good defense if you could say, hey, I was holding the gun, but the gun went off, or I didn't even mean to pull the trigger. The trigger pull was so light. So firearms experts, that's one of the first things they look for. How hard do you need to pull back the trigger in order for that gun to fire?